So I woke up few minutes back. I went not back. I woke up somewhere around 5 a.m. and I was getting sleepless. I don't know what happened. Then I called my mother and I went out. I had a tea at the highway near the X-ray mall and I came back just now. I wonder what happened here. What happened here? Who cares? I got some smokes. I found out that smokes are, what do you call it? Cause you too much of muscle loss. Huh? I came to know. No, I experienced. I know this for sure that, but a rapid version I saw. The rapid version of muscle loss. So when I smoked those, what do you call it? The pack, my brother's leaves, that brand I smoked, then what do you call it? I saw a difference. That means tobacco eats lot of muscles. Huh? Keep in mind. Cigarettes have too much of tobacco compared to those leaves. And cigarettes have chemicals too. So anyways, this is something, some personal shit and personal, but tobacco skills. So anyways, I went out, had a tea, came back, and if anyone does anything, what can I do? Meanwhile, what can I do? I cannot do anything. समझे? They can only do and they can only get caught. I am so out in front of society surveillance and outdoor surveillances. And people are watching me. Yeah. While going, saw my father as well. My father went out for a ride and he was there outside. So he went out for a ride, I guess, and then I met him. What crap is happening? Anyways, whatever it is, it's their mess. What I gotta do? Everything goes back to life. Go back to normal. In my life, not in theirs. Their life is a mess. Scam and shit. Look, whatever you do in your life, one day you gotta, what do you call it, suffer for it. You get paid for it. Like, you do good things, you get paid in good. You do bad, you get paid in bad. Um, so, what can I say? Time is somewhere around 6:40. 10 minutes. No, 6:40, yes. 20 minutes less to 7. Oh, good too fucking early, man. I'll try to sleep again. So, after giving time, I can hear few people are mumbling as if their plan got whatever they did. What what nonsense is? What nonsense are they fucking doing, man? What can I do about this situation? I go out, they do something. What can I do? Anyways, those accusations were quite funny. Their men from the house got raped while they were wearing a woman costume outside at night. It's funny, right? Come on, it's funny. Those are the trans hookers. And money got transferred into their bank account. And they say that they got raped. Who trans hookers? What can I say? This is something. This is something. What? Their stories are, what do you call it? Essentially stories. Sense, it makes no sense. Anyways, I don't even have to entertain such stuff. The stuff which makes no sense, you, you don't have to speak about it. Some fellow on the bicycle is calling for someone, and he keeps on calling and circling the place. So there will be new stuff coming at time. And the matter is, they wanted to burn my history. They have become my history now. You know what it is? Their pictures are in the every police station and matching trans hookers. I mean, they still don't know yet what is happening. They have no clue what is happening. Whatever they are doing, they think I don't know what is happening, and I know the exact thing what is happening. I know their mind, I know their brain, I know their accusation, and I know their games. And whatever is going to happen to them, which is something new, which they have no clue. They never thought of this. Anyways, they think about law, police station, bail. This is beyond, and this is more dangerous, which is going to come to them. They have no clue about it. Knowing this,